is 9:06, April 8th, and we're getting ready for the markets. And it's really quiet today. Our top active stocks are not, they're penny stocks. They're not really doing too much. We have NDVL spiked to 215 from close of 140 yesterday, and now pull back to 194, and followed by BFRI, and that's a warrant. BWV, BFRI spiked to 581 from 405 close, so we'll keep an eye on that. But it seems everything fades after a spike, so we'll see. But the market looks pretty red right now, so we'll see what we get from there. Let me check out my daily usual. Wow, Ford at 1501. Joby. Okay. Open is just falling like a rock for the past 3 days. We'll see if today, if something happens in the market to bring it back up, or if it's gonna finish the week red. SWN just it had a price increase to 750, so we're kind of expecting it to be up here, but we'll see if it stays up here. I'll be watching for it for when it's ready to come back down. And if the market's gonna keep falling, I'll be looking for UVXY for a quick trade. TLRY keep giving us spikes. It's like it'll give a nice spike and then fade, spike, fade, spike, fade. Even on a green day, spike and fade. It never ended the day at the top of its candles. So it gives one good spike every, probably, let's see here, that was November, and then this is March, so like almost 6 months. Every 6 months, see here is, yeah, every 6 months it has a nice spike. So we're gonna expect a nice fall for the next couple of months. So who knows, I might short the dang thing for the next couple of months. I'm gonna see if I could get some puts on it, on my IRA. So I'm gonna pause it here, and we'll resume once we get something going. So we got 30 seconds till the market's open, and there's not really much that I'm watching. So I'm gonna revert back to my daily. All right, here we go. Okay. being really patient. You know, letting the spreads close down a little bit. We got 2-cent spread here. Okay, the markets are pulling back in. There's not really much going on, so I'm gonna pause this, guys, and once something happens, and we got SoFi. I'm really looking at SoFi because of the move it did yesterday. I'm looking for a follow through. I can't even buy it on the bid right now. I have to buy it on the ask. That's how volatile it's being. SWN. Is it done or is it gonna bounce? Don't know yet. Okay, market is back in red territory. Let's check what's going on in the markets. SBFRM, not much. And everything just finds a resistance or support and they just stay there. Nothing is really moving. And it's Friday, so it's expected for a lot of algos to be taken over because they know a lot of traders are out the market today. So they taking 36, 34. Okay, so at 32. If it doesn't break, okay. Alright, I'm gonna pause it. Got a double top at 86, so I'm gonna take a trade here at 8. Oh man, come on, give me 84 one more time. Come on, give me at least 84 so I can manage my risk to 2 cents. Okay, here's 83. Okay, I want to take the trade back at, okay, at 80. If I take it at 80.78, then I can give it to 80 to as my risk tolerance. Okay. Come on, give me at least 78. That's crazy because I saw this trade up here at 86. This is where I really wanted to take it, and it's gone. So 593. It seems the market's pulling back in. Or maybe it's just pulling back. Yeah. I might stay here for a little bit and don't take a trade and just let this one go. Oh, okay, let's see. UEC. Let's see what's going on here. We got a double top. We got a double top here. We got day close there. Let's take a quick trade at the yesterday's low, yesterday's close. Expecting a bounce here. There we go. How strong is the bounce gonna be? That's the question. Okay. We'll take okay for 50. We'll take, oh man, come on. 45. I'm only giving this a 2 cents, simply because I know my entry wasn't the best. I wanted it at 53, but I couldn't get it up there. So I got my finger on the buy button. I know it's algo trading because I bought it at 45 and it won't drop below 45. So question is it gonna reverse at 52? I will take it again. And if it comes back to 45, I will take it again. I'm gonna pause it, guys, till something happens. Back in at 545 with the same risk, 47 or 48. Here's 44. Yeah, it just refuses to break. Come on. $43. Now my stop is at 45. Come on now. Show me 42. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. This is getting frustrating because it wants to break, but it don't want to break because I'm in the trade. It's gonna come back up. 47. So I'm gonna have to probably get out. That's too many. If it's being crazy stubborn, I'm just gonna get out and let it be for the day and just head out because guys, it finally broke 38 50 hours later. So now it's at 37, but it's gonna consolidate here for 36. So I'm at 40. I'm giving it 4. So I'm at 39, 3 cents. Here's 36. So maybe something's gonna happen here, but I don't know. It just, this stock is testing my nerves. That's for sure. But I'm gonna pause it here, guys, till something else happens, or we're gonna be here for 5 hours. Back to 40 freaking 4. 45. I'm gonna pause it, guys. From green to red. This is my last trade if this doesn't work here, because this 48, I was extremely patient, let the trade develop. I didn't take profit. That's one of my downfall. And on top of not taking profit, I let green switch red by not following my rules. And for that, it shows. And right now it's I'm feeling it because I didn't follow my rules. So I said this before, Friday has been historically not a good day for me, but I don't want to jinx it. But it shows, you know. So if this gets up to 50, I'ma cut it and just end the day here. Live to trade another day. But I know this stock is gonna make some big moves today. Either breaks the high or break the low. But either way, I probably won't be in it if it breaks 50. It's frustrating, but I could only be upset at myself because I took the trade and I have to live with my choices. I'm gonna pause it here, guys, till I get out. Looks like I'm about to. So I went long at 54 and it looks like it wants to break VWAP, but it's really consolidating right now because the last time it broke VWAP and consolidate on it, it broke out. So let's see. I'm gonna keep watching it and I'll keep you guys updated. It went to 68. Now it's pulling back, and we got resistance at 69. So, but I'm only giving it, I gave it a 4 cent space to breathe. So if it comes back at 64, I'll be out. I sold it and then now I'm in short. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be done for the day. I caught some really good trades in this stock and I give it all back. Sold into it here. I saw this flush coming and I sold it, and it bounced right back at 44 and bounced up, but I covered early soon as it bounced back, and I waited for it to come right back to 45. Then I took it again, came down to 42, bounced. I held it to 48, bounced all the way down to 39, bounced back down to 30 freaking 4, man. And I was on the green, and instead of taking profit and then read the stock, what it's giving me, and then now I'm looking back, I'm like, here at 430, at 35, there's support right here from previous day, not previous day, but previous spike, and I didn't take it, so it bounced back, got out for a loss. Okay, so I got out for a loss, so it kept spiking, so I said, okay. Then I went long, got out, got kicked out the trade. Okay, so when I got kicked out the trade, I watched it. It came all the way down to 45. It bounced, which is where I was planning on going short, but since it didn't break 45, I went long at no, I sold it, and then I covered at 53 for a loss, and then I went long at 53 for the spike. Came all the way up to 69, which is my drone levels, and it flushed, and I sold. And when I sold, I also went short. So I reversed with it, came all the way down here, and I was technically even on the day. You can watch the rest of the video. You'll see that I'm even on the day, and even on the day, instead of, you know, that's my problem right here. This is the end of my day right here at 10:49, and right now it's 11:14, and I give it all back right here. So I took a short trade here. Like right now, it's been go short, then go long with the stock, but instead I went short twice and had to cover. That's my first loss. And then it was going, it was still spiking, and on the 50, between 50 and VWAP, and it freaking spiked, so I had to cover for a loss. Then I took another trade at 65 at previous resistance and spiked me out, which was the most recent one. So right now it's algo trading, and of course that's what's gonna happen. It's either this stock gonna break for the day, or it's gonna keep spiking, and at 89 it's gonna probably that's gonna be the main strike. So anyways, it's I'm gonna end the day here with freaking 55 in the negative. So we'll call it a day, and we'll go do something else. I gotta check on this car I have in the garage. So we'll see you guys Monday, fresh, and quit making stupid mistakes like this. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching today. As always, make sure you trade at your own risk. Make sure that you are willing to lose what you trade, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.